ऐसा ये बहारों का रंग, प्रकृति है जीवन का सबसे हसीन संग। संभाल लो इसे वरना खो दोगे सब कुछ, धरती का ये दर्द अब बन रहा है जंग। Welcome to our Earth Day special. Today we celebrate the beauty and wonders of our planet. From majestic mountains to the deepest oceans, our Earth is a treasure of love, life and diversity. With these beautiful lines, I am Shika Singh and I, Arjita Singh, welcome you all to celebrate Earth Day. Earth has eternal beauty, with the forest so green to the ocean so blue, a world of beauty for me and you. We now invite to reflect our thoughts and connect our souls to Almighty. So I would like to call upon stage Aisha, Maham and Zunaira for the prayer service. Join your hands, close your eyes, bow your head for the prayer. Dear God, help us to care for the earth, protect its beauty, water, and air from harm. Guide us to live in harmony with nature and be kind to our planet now and forever. Amen. Loving God, we thank you for the gift of this beautiful planet and all its creatures. May we always be mindful towards our responsibility to protect it. May we always act with wisdom and kindness to ensure healthy future for all. Amen.
Dear Earth, our home, so vast and bright, we thank you for your beauty and light. Guide us to protect and cherish your grace. For a thriving world, we pledge to embrace. Saint Mary blesses your children. Look on us with love and motherly care. Keep us pure now and always. Amen.
Thank you, dear friends. Now join us for a thought-provoking skit that explores the consequences of our actions on the environment.
Once upon a time, a beautiful planet was created. People were living in harmony with nature. The air was clean, the rivers were pure, and the forests were full of life. But suddenly, a huge change came around. Comparing the Earth of 90s and the Earth of 20s, there is a huge difference. I'll not be able to explain it very well, so let me introduce you to the Earth of 90s and the Earth of 20s.
ऐसा क्यों मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ मैं ऐसा क्यों
Who's this man coming around here?
Oh, hello. I'm the Earth of 20s, the smartest.
Shut up.
You call it smartness? Covered with pollution, smoke, harmful gases. Look at me. I'm so green with pure atmosphere and happiness all around.
Emotional damage.
You won't believe me? Let me show you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I hope the forest land is cleared for the big contract that we got yesterday.
Yes, it's done.
Oh wow, the work has been done faster than my expectation. So let's go and visit the site.
Sir, you know how much hard work I have put into this project? I will get my profit now.
While visiting the site, the boss was really happy about the contract, but he didn't know about the consequences.
Can you see the development in me? I'm so progressive.
Do you think it is progressive? It's just destructive. You showed me the present, now let me show you your future. I'm not able to breathe, Mama. I don't feel like alive.
Don't say like this, child. I myself feel helpless. The past generation has never thought about the future.
Try not to be over smart, because if the smartness flows out, there could be a problem.
I am so dumb, calling myself the smartest.
No, you're not dumb. The people who are doing this are the ones who are dumb. We just have the problem, but we need a solution also.
So here I am to provide you some of the ways in which you can protect this beautiful land. But
in a poetic way. Good morning, friends, both old and new. So today we stand with the sky so blue, a gentle breeze and a warming sun. Yet much remains for us to be done. The earth, our home, so wide and so rich, with oceans deep and the mountains high, it gives us trees and the air we breathe, and the fields of gold beneath our feet. But have we paused to listen her cry, the melting eyes and the choking sky? The rivers are dark and forests bare. Do we still think it's not our care? We burn, we build. We burn, we build, we take, we break. And often gives less than what we take. So let's come together and plant a tree. Let's walk not right. Let's keep our all greed aside. Reuse, recycle, reduce, right? Because small changes turn darker to light. So here is my pledge, and maybe yours too, to be kind in all what you do. Because futures is not too far, and the earth depends. And the earth depends on who we are, Thank you.
Thank you, dear friends. Plant symbolizes our commitment to a greener and sustainable future. We now invite our respective sister principals to plant saplings as a symbol of commitment to our environment.